Hello and hi to our YouTube channel Aptitude Math Learner. Guys, today we are having a very interesting questions, and in this question we are having both the ratio and percentage. The question today we are having that is the ratio of students in school A, B and C is 5:4:7 respectively. If number of students in school are increased by 20%, 25% and 20% respectively, then what will be the ratio of students in school A, B and C respectively? So it is a very easy questions, but you have to follow the method. So here we are having that is 3 school. So let we take that this is school A and this is school B and this is for school C. So here we are having the number of students that are in the ratio that is 5:4:7. So if we increase the ratios, if we increase the number of students by 20%, 25% and 20%, so here for this we take a very shortcut method which will be a very useful step for solving such question in competitive exam. So here we take that is, so this is 5, we multiply it by, so this is increased by 20%, so we multiply it by 120 upon 100. So some people may be confused that how does this process came. So it is a shortcut method to solve it in a very short time. So just for your understanding, I am here to make it in a very easy way to understand you. So for this, if you want to understand it, so here this is, let's suppose, the ratio, and now its percentage is increased by 20%. So here what will be the 20% of 5? So if we take it here 5 and it's 20%, so here this is 20%. So here if we take common, that is 5, and here we get that is 1 plus 20 upon 100. So this becomes 5 and this 100. So here we are having the LCM 100, that is 100 plus 20. This is just for your understanding, but you have to keep it in your mind. This for direct method you have to direct use 120. So here also we get 120 and it will be multiplied. So this is a process to make you understand this. So here we get that is 5 multiply by, so this becomes 120 divided by 100. So this is the same thing which we have done this. So here for your understanding, so here you can see, so this is 20% of 5. We have just taken 25% of 5 and we have added, we have increased it with the ratio that is 5. So here we got this, and now the 20% we have directly written it 120 upon 10. This method will be a very useful method to solve it in the most fastest way. And here we are having the ratio for the school B, that is in the ratio that is 4. So 4 and it is increased by 25%, and for this we do that is 125 upon 100. So this also came by the same method we have just taken out here. So this is also the same thing, how we have solved this, and here we can also solve it. So it is a very fast method. It is a shortcut method, you can also say, and it saves a lots of time for you. And here we are having the ratio that is 7 and the increase. So here we have taken the 20% of 7 and now we are increasing it, and we have just here increased it. So here this becomes that is 120 upon 100. So this multiply here just came here. So here we have just taken its 5% and we have increased it with the ratio 5, and this is also the same thing. So this portion we have got here, and 3 all are can be solved in the same method. So here now we can cancel out this 100 to 300s, and here we get that is 5. So here you can see the question also, that is 5 multiplied by 120 ratio 4 multiplied by 125 ratio 7 multiplied by 120. I hope till here you have completely understood the method. So here we get that is 5 multiplied by 120, we get here the answer, that is 600 ratio 4 multiplied by 125, we get here that is 500 ratio, and 7 multiplied by 120, we get here that is 840. I hope completely you have understood. Now if we divide this to make it in the most simple way and most shortest way, here we divide it by 2 now to take out the new ratio. So this becomes that is 300 250 ratio, and here we get that is 420, and this could also be divided by 10. So here 0 0 we cancel out in all the forms. So here we get the new ratio, that is 30 ratio 25 ratio 42. So this is the new ratio after the increase in school A, B, C in the strength of the student. So this is our answer. So thank you very much.